Hey there! So, imagine you're working on a coding project and you encounter a problem. The problem in this case is that you're trying to use the coderes.status for 109.send message, code function in your code, but it's not working as expected. Let's dive into the details of this issue and how you can solve it. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem we discussed earlier. The key to fixing this issue lies in the order of the functions. The code.send code function is responsible for sending the response to the client, while the code.status code function sets the status of the response. By swapping the functions and placing code.send code after code.status code, you ensure that the response is sent with the correct status. This simple rearrangement can make a big difference in how your code functions. Problem solved. To wrap it all up, we've explored a common issue that can arise when working with response functions in coding. By understanding the proper order of operations and functions, you can ensure that your code runs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.